What's up, guys? Welcome back to Plants of LV. Today we have a video for you guys. If you guys remember the Fabian Stump, I had made a video probably like a month or two ago replacing it with the Mexican birds of paradise I believe I had in this pot. Fortunately, this is one of the trees or shrubs you can call it, but took a crap. It's been super windy here in Vegas. You guys can probably hear the wind here in the background, but it's still windy today. But I wanted to do some plant shopping. I came to, I think, Blue Star Nursery, and I found this beautiful Pachypodium. This is the Madagascar Palm, straight from Africa. This is a succulent. They call it a palm just because it looks basically like a palm tree. It does have those big, beautiful leaves, and it also is really spiky right here, so just be really careful you guys get one of these Pachypodiums. I love these. I always wanted to get one of these in my collection. I wanted to make sure this wasn't gonna die like the last two plants I planted in this black pot. So I wanted to make a video for you guys, kind of showing how I'm gonna put some water in here. I have a whole bunch of plants here on the side. I'm gonna show you in a bit where I'm gonna kind of use the T method, cut the line, and then I'm gonna be able to put some water in here so our Pachypodium can do amazing. So yeah, guys, hope you guys are doing good. Appreciate you guys all support. I know you guys have been big here on Instagram. Follow me if you guys haven't on Instagram, Plants of LV. If you guys are new to here, to YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe, like, comment. Love hearing you guys' input. So let's get to this plant, and love you guys. Let's get it. All right, guys. So the plant was right here. Keep having plants die a lot right here, so I'm tired of it. I want to get an irrigation on it. So I'm gonna be taking it out of this tree right here, or this bush, and I'm gonna be extending it to this little area right here. I'm gonna be putting the water line under the pot so this Pachypodium can live beautiful and have no issues with it, because we keep having these plants just die right here. It does get a good amount of sun in this area, but it's just the consistency of the watering. It needs it daily. I mean, not daily, but here, especially it's summer right now, it's crazy with all this weather. So it's either windy, hella hot, or I know where you get some rain. So let's extend this line over here. I might put in probably like a 0.5 GPH on it, gallon per hour, and it should be good. So yeah, let's have some fun, and let's extend this line and put it over here. All right, guys, so there she is. I built a trench right here, so you guys are able to see how I kind of made that little hole right here. Basically, the pot's gonna go right here, and that water line, I'm gonna just snip it, and then I'm gonna shoot it inside the hole from the bottom of the pot inside, and I'm gonna just pop that little 0.5 GPH gallon on there. So yeah, she's all pretty good to go. Let me just show you guys here what I did again. So right here, we had this water line right here to this Draco, going over here to this Texas sage. So I had over here. So all I did is I added a T. You can see right there. So I extended this one to the right, kept the Draco good, and now we have the extra one coming this way, which I'm gonna slightly push down right here, hide it in, and like I said, I'm gonna push this line inside the pot, so basically we can have a water system here in our pot. So yeah, let's get this all fixed up.
The one who makes the dead rise and become zombies. Become zombies.
Alright guys, there she is, looking beautiful. The new beautiful Pachypodium. I love how this came out. I was able to top dress it really good with the white rocks I usually use. Since we are getting a drip system, I'm not minding too much that it's top, because basically the water will just drip slow and not going to make a big hole in the rocks. So yeah, I was able to make it look pretty, and look how easy that was, guys. I was able to DIY it, basically move that water line over here and never have the issue of this thing dying again. It was 2 plants back to back, and I'm like, you know what, I'm sick of it. Let's get some water in here, and it came out really good. This could have been a little shorter on the 0.5 GPH. Came a little higher. I could have like trimmed it right there, but it's good enough. But yeah, that's the beautiful Pachypodium Madagascar Palm. Should be doing beautiful here in this pot now that has a full-time water system. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do a little easy DIY for you guys. If you guys will ever have a little pot here in the side next to your other plants, super easy to just cut it, make a T, and then do the extension to the inside and make it look pretty without like no wires showing. Basically, super easy project for you guys. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit subscribe. Love you guys. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.